So, if you are one of the people who has felt the perfect physical activity yet, here are some things to think about which might help you to make it right decision for you. The first question to ask yourself is whether you would enjoy training in the gym. Many people are put off by the idea of having to fit a visit to the gym into their busy days. You often have to go very early or late as some gyms can get very crowded, but with regular training you will see a big difference in a relatively short space of time. Running has become incredibly popular in recent years. That probably got a lot to do with the fact that it's very accessible form of exercise that anyone can run, even if you could only run a few meters to begin with. But make sure you get the right shoe. It's worth investing in a high quality pair, and they don't come cheap. Another great thing about running is that you can do it at any time of day or night. The only thing that may stop you is snow and ice. Swimming is another really good way to build fitness. What attracts many people is that can swim in indoor pool at any time of year. On the other hand, it can be quite boring or solitary. It's hard to chat to people while you're swimming lanes. Cycling has become almost as popular as running in recent years. That's probably become as well as improving their fitness. Many people say being out in the fresh air in a park or in the countryside can be fun, provided the conditions are right, of course. Only fanatics go out in wind and rain. Yoga is a good choice for those looking for exercise which focus on developing both healthy mind and body. It's a good way of building strength, and with the right instructor there's less chance of hurting yourself than with other more activity sports. But don't expect to find it easy. It can be surprisingly challenging, especially for people who aren't very flexible. Getting a personal trainer is a good way to start your fitness program. Obviously, obviously, there can be significant costs involved, but if you got someone that if you got someone to encourage you and help you achieve your goal, you are less likely to give up. Make sure you get someone with a recognized qualification thought. Or you could do yourself punishment damage. Whatever you do, don't join a gym and you are sure you will make good use of it. So many people waste lots of money by signing up for membership and they hardly ever go. What happened to their good intention?